In an earlier video, we looked at working with videos through the Video Manager, and this time I'd like to go back and look at how do you work with playlists in that same Video Manager. Now, before we go to the Manager, you can access your playlists from your channel itself. If you click here, it's going to show you your playlists, but if you click on them, it's going to open them up to play them. So it's not going to allow you to easily, it's not the easiest way to get in there and make adjustments to existing playlists. You could create a new playlist using the New Playlist button. You can use the playlists listed on the left to go in and make edits. So I can click on that playlist and it will bring me to a place. It'll show me the videos underneath. By mousing over, I'm going to get the option to remove any of these from the playlist. I could always grab them and change the order. And then to make changes to the playlist itself, I can use the playlist setting buttons. Okay, and this is where the privacy settings are held, so I could change those. I could also change the ordering from manual to any one of these categories. So I could have the newest videos be placed at top, etc. I generally like to leave it to manual because a lot of my videos are sequential. They're building on skills, and so I want to put them in the correct order. Okay, you also have a share button here that's going to allow you to access a link to the channel, or using the second tab here to get to the embed code in order to put the channel itself inside a web page. And there's also an option that I can click here to email this to particular people. I'm going to cancel out of each of those. I have the option on the right to add more videos. By clicking here, I'll be able to browse. It says your YouTube video, so it'll bring me to my selection of videos. And by clicking on any of these and then saying add videos, that would be added to the list. So let's see if it's there. Oh, there it is down at the bottom. Now this particular video doesn't go with this list at all, so I will use the X in the right corner to remove it from the list. I have not deleted the video, I've simply removed it from the list, so it's still available to play independently or to add to another list. The last thing to look at in this area is in the upper right we have the three dots. Clicking on them would allow me to delete the entire playlist or to add the entire list to another list. Now we've looked at all the basic options of what you can do with a playlist. But if another way to access this is to come up to Creator Studio, click on the Video Manager, and then click on the playlist option here. What this will do is it'll bring you to a screen where you see all of your playlists in one place, and then by clicking the Edit button next to the playlists, you'll come back to that area where you have the same options. Now in both cases, something I think I neglected to tell you, but I can tell you now, if you access them from here or from the Video Manager section, you also have this option here to add a description. So if you click here, this is a general description of the playlist itself. Okay. And that's saved, and that's how you work with your playlists.